Hello everyone, myself Vamsi Krishna. First of all, a great thanks to Evision Technoserve and trainers and placement team. Basically, I am from Chittoor Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in BTech Mechanical from Srinivasa Institute of Technology and Management Studies in 2022. One of my friend said about Evision Technoserve. After that, I have joined and get trained and learned many things. Now I got placed in ITC Infotech as a designation of junior system admin with 3.65 LPA. So if anyone wants to start their career with the IT sector, so it's better to join Evision Technoserve. The trainers motivated and the sessions explained by trainers and most support from the placement team, and overall everything was good. And also they provided job assistance and 100% placement. With the support of placement team and trainers, I got placed in ITC Infotech as a junior system admin. And once again, a great thanks to Evision Technoserve and a special thanks to Deepthi ma'am.